I appreciate that. I also have an update on the freaky flashing lights. I mean, this is some of the weirdest stuff you will ever see. Villa Rica, Georgia. Check this out. Zach was sitting in the parking lot on December 29th of 2024, right around 2 weeks ago, when the lights in the parking lot, for unknown reasons, started flashing. You can't make this stuff up. I mean, this is weird. This is like something out of a movie. What is interfering with the flow of electricity to these outdoor parking lot lights, street lights, building lights? You guys are going to see new video footage from different locations of the same thing that have happened within the last 48 to 72 hours. This goes back to December when it first started. What if there was something in the sky? I know we've been very drawn to the sky recently with these drones. What if something was in the sky interfering with the flow of electricity on the ground? Makes you wonder. I mean, these are isolated incidents, obviously right there to that location. What if there was something up there in the sky that was interfering with the flow of electricity on the ground? I mean, there's got to be an explanation.
This is crazy.
And as you heard Zach say, this is crazy. He'd never seen anything like it. Here's another new video out of Kansas City, Missouri by Nick, January 8th, 2025. Same situation. Sitting in a parking lot, all of a sudden, the parking lot lights start to go haywire. Are you serious right now? I mean, what is causing that? Is there something up above that's maybe interfering with the flow of electricity? There's something right there in the sky. Could be an airplane. He happened to zoom in on it right there. And again, probably an airplane. There was something right there too. But for some reason, the lights started going haywire. Going to Manchester, United Kingdom. This video has narration. Same situation. Here we go.
That right by the Arndale Centre. It's affecting some of the letters, but not others.
That was one sign by itself, but then he looked down the road and noticed an office building, lights inside the office building, doing the same thing. Watch up here. Here they'll go off right there, and then turn back on. What? And they'll go off again right there, and then back on. And that was right there in that same city block. You had the malfunctioning sign, and then the lights inside the building malfunctioning. Going to Junction City, Kentucky. In case you guys missed it, Brian, January 7th of 2025. This video was taken at 4:31 in the morning. Look at this gas station here. Pretty much all of the lights, including the parking lot lights, are flickering on and off. Was there something in the sky above this gas station that for unknown reasons was affecting the flow of electricity? Something's interfering with the flow of electricity. Look at that. Place went completely dark, then back on, then completely dark, then back on again. I'm surprised that's not tripping breakers. Maybe it is. I don't know. But that is highly unusual. I have never seen anything like that.